This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Today we'll be looking at how to add JavaScript to your Shopify site. So here we have a really simple code that just pops up with the message hello, and this is all written in JavaScript when someone visits your site. So I'm just going to refresh the page so you can see how that works. Someone visits, they get a pop-up just saying hello. So we're going to add that JavaScript code, and these sets will work for any JavaScript code on your Shopify site. So first, we've got our kind of default site where we haven't added any JavaScript yet. So we're going to go into the back end of the store. You're going to go to Customize Theme, and again, click here, Customize Theme. And then right on your active theme, there'll be this Customize button. Click that. And then over here on the left side of the screen where it says Theme Actions, click that and go to Edit Code. All right, and then under the layout folder, you're going to click theme.liquid, and this kind of holds like the main structure for your site. So you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and your JavaScript code should typically go right before the body tag. So right at the bottom, right before the body tag is where your JavaScript code should be placed, except in cases where it specifically asks you to put it into the header section, and you can put it right after this heading tag. And those will be like for scripts where you're wanting to track users on a site or something. Usually those should go in the header section, but if you're writing like a custom code, usually you want all of these elements to load on the page first, and your code is going to go right here before the body closing tag. So we're going to add script for our JavaScript code, opening and closing script tags. And then we're going to just add our alert box that says hello and add our semicolon. So once that's in place, your JavaScript is in the right spot, just hit save. And now when we refresh the page, we will see that JavaScript in action where it pops up saying hello.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.